Alright, so for this problem, I have two functions, and I know it's multiplication because I have this solid dot in between them. So remember, with multiplication, they'll either be side by side with no operator, or they will have a closed dot in between them. So I like to set up the box method just to make sure that I'm multiplying every piece as I should. So the box method says that I set up columns and rows that represent each term of my function. So I'm multiplying the f function, so I'm multiplying f of x times g of x, which means I'm multiplying x squared plus 4x minus 21 times x minus 3. Alright, so on this side, I'm going to split this, and I'm going to make this x and minus 3. So every column and every row should be multiplied. So I have x times x squared, so that's going to give me x cubed. I have x times negative 4x, that's going to give me 4x squared, because there's two x's. And x times negative 21 is going to give me negative 21x. Alright, and then I have negative 3 times x squared is going to give me negative 3x squared. Then I have negative 3 times 4x is going to give me negative 12x. And then negative 3 times negative 21 is going to give me positive 63. We're going to make sure we combine our like terms. So we have x squared like terms, and we have negative 12x and negative 21x.